Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best silicone spoons is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your kitchen. They're perfect for everything from stirring sauces to scraping the last bit of batter from a bowl. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right ones? In this video, we'll dive into the world of silicone spoons, exploring their features, benefits, and what to look for when making your selection, so you can find the perfect set for your cooking needs. Number 5. DIORO 2PC Silicone Mixing and Serving Spoons. This is the new 2-piece silicone spoon set from DIORO. It's part of our award-winning Seamless series. These are essential kitchen tools. Made with food-grade, BPA-free silicone, it can withstand heat up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. You will never melt your favorite spoons with this set. Measuring 13 inches long, it has a strong stainless steel core. The ergonomically designed handle fits comfortably in your hand. These spoons are dishwasher safe and easy to clean by hand. The one-piece design prevents food buildup, ensuring safe and healthy cooking. Whether stirring soup or serving vegetables, it won't scratch your cookware. This non-stick silicone is pro-grade. DIORO is dedicated to creating positive experiences in your home. They offer a forever promise and unmatched customer care to ensure your satisfaction. What we like? This spoon can withstand heat up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for high-temperature cooking. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. If you often cook at high temperatures or want a spoon that's easy to clean, you should consider this one. What people say? They have really sturdy handles supported by metal inserts. The spoon is ample in size for food transfer. These spoons are sturdy, functional, and such a pretty color, red. Number 4. Bundlepro Silicone Cooking Spoons, 2-pack, black. These Bundlepro spoons are crafted from food-grade silicone, ensuring they are BPA-free. You don't have to worry about melting or deforming, even when exposed to high heat. The soft silicone head protects your cookware from scratches. The spoons feature high-quality 18/8 stainless steel, preventing rust and breakage. The anti-scald silicone handle is designed for comfort and doesn't conduct heat like traditional utensils. Cleaning is a breeze, simply wipe them with hot water after use. The design includes a round hanging hole for easy drying and storage. The large cooking spoon is perfect for holding food, while the slotted spoon quickly drains liquids. Whether serving or draining, these spoons will enhance your cooking experience. Good kitchenware can make cooking easier. Bundlepro is dedicated to providing quality products and excellent service. Trust these spoons to help you in the kitchen. What we like? Made from food-grade silicone and featuring a stainless steel core, this spoon is both safe and durable. It's also easy to clean, saving you time in the kitchen. If you're looking for a spoon that combines safety, durability, and ease of use, this is a great choice. What people say? They are thick and substantial. The silicone material is a game changer. It's heat resistant, which means I can confidently use them in hot pans without worrying about melting or warping. They feel comfortable in my hand, and the long handles provide excellent control, especially when I'm working with larger pots and pans. Number 3. DIORO Silicone Spoon Spatula. This is the DIORO Spatula. It's made with food-grade, BPA-free silicone and is built to last. It can withstand heat up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, so you don't have to worry about melting it. Cleaning up is a breeze with this spatula. It's dishwasher safe and designed to prevent food buildup. Spend less time cleaning and more time with your loved ones. This versatile utensil combines the best of a spoon and spatula. It's flexible enough for scraping and strong enough for mixing. The handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. Use this spatula with confidence on your non-stick cookware. The pro-grade silicone won't scratch your expensive pots and pans. It's perfect for any cooking task. DIORO is committed to your satisfaction. They offer a forever promise and unmatched customer care. If it's damaged or defective, they will replace it for free. What we like? This unique spatula combines the best features of a spoon and spatula. It's designed to be safe for non-stick cookware and comes with a forever warranty. If you like versatile kitchen tools and value long-term quality, you should choose this one. What people say? Great quality. These are perfect for cooking and baking, just right for portioning muffin batter. Good size, easy to clean. I now have 4 in my kitchen of varying sizes. They're really useful for everything from eggs to baking. I can do more with it than half the other utensils I own. Number 2. Silicone spoons for cooking, black. These spoons are made of food-grade organic silicone and are 100% BPA-free. It's designed to withstand high temperatures up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring durability. They are perfect for stirring, mixing batter, honey, or ice cream. You can also use this spoon to scoop liquid foods. The smooth surface won't scratch other utensils and is suitable for various appliances. Silica gel cookware is built to last. It's insoluble in water and most solvents, and it's chemically stable. You can use it for a long time without any special treatment. The design is ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and easy to use. The spoon can be hung in the kitchen to save space. The silicone spoon is easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher. It's designed for your convenience. What we like. This spoon is made of BPA-free silicone and is suitable for various cooking tasks. Its hygienic design makes it easy to clean. If you need a versatile and easy-to-clean spoon for everyday use, it's a great option. What people say. They are made well and very easy to cook, stir, and serve with. Doesn't bend and holds up great. It does scratch the pots and pans. Number 1. Shappy 4-piece silicone mixing spoons. You'll receive 4 spoons in different bright colors. This set provides enough for your daily cooking needs, replacements, and sharing with others. Each heat-resistant spoon is about 10.6 inches long. This size is perfect for comfortable use, and the hole at the end allows you to hang it up for drying, saving space. These kitchen utensils are made of quality silicone. The one-piece design makes them easy to clean, and they are safe within a temperature range of -40 to 220 degrees Celsius. It won't curl and is safe for hot and cold food. The spoons come in 4 vibrant colors. These colors make the serving spoon more beautiful and can help you easily distinguish them while cooking. These spoons are practical for cooking and stirring various foods. It won't scratch your kitchen utensils and is designed for long-term use. What we like. You'll receive a set of 4 spoons in different colors, perfect for various kitchen tasks. They are heat-resistant and made of non-stick material. If you are looking for a colorful and practical set of spoons, this is the one for you. What people say. They make for a sturdy mixing spoon and have that soft texture everybody likes. These are great for cooking. No scratches on my pots and pans. They are really rigid but soft to the touch, so they don't flex at all when you stir food. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.